Ace your essay writing for PEP Grade 6 Language Arts Performance Task 2024 Topic Explanation with Simple 8 Strategies. 1. Understand the question. प्रश्न को ध्यान से पढ़ें और सुनिश्चित करें कि आप समझते हैं कि यह आपसे क्या समझाने के लिए कह रहा है. 2. Plan your essay. लिखना शुरू करने से पहले अपने मुख्य की पॉइंट्स पर ध्यान दें. 3. इंट्रोडक्शन. अपने विषय को इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स से शुरू करें जो पढ़ने में रुचि लाए. 4. बॉडी पैराग्राफ्स. प्रत्येक बॉडी पैराग्राफ को एक मुख्य बिंदु पर ध्यान केंद्रित करना चाहिए. 5. यूज सिंपल लैंग्वेज. 6. प्रोवाइड एग्जाम्पल्स. 7. कंक्लूजन. अपने एसे राइटिंग का समरी सारांश दीजिए. 8. प्रूफरीड. स्पेलिंग और ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स जांच करना महत्वपूर्ण है. Let's learn these strategies through an example. Title: The Power of Recycling. Introduction. Recycling is like magic for our planet. It's a simple yet incredibly important practice that helps keep our world clean and healthy. Let's dive into why recycling matters so much and how it makes a big difference in our everyday lives. Body paragraphs. Environmental benefits. Recycling helps keep our environment clean and beautiful. When we recycle things like paper, plastic, and glass, we save trees, reduce pollution, and protect wildlife habitats. For example, when we recycle paper, we save trees from being cut down, which keeps our forests full of life for animals to live in. Conservation of resources. Another reason why recycling is awesome is that it saves precious resources. When we recycle, we use less energy and water because we are reusing materials instead of making new ones. Take aluminum cans, for instance. It takes way less energy to recycle them than to mine and process new aluminum ore from the ground. Economic benefits. Recycling isn't just good for the planet, it's good for our wallets too. When we recycle, we create new jobs in recycling centers and save money on waste disposal. Plus, it's a win-win situation for everyone. Conclusion. Recycling is a superpower we all have. By taking small actions like recycling our cans, bottles, and paper, we can make a big difference for our planet. Let's keep the magic of recycling alive by doing our part to protect the environment, conserve resources, and build a brighter future for generations to come. Together, we can make our world a cleaner, greener, and happier place for everyone.